Welcome back to Study Support Hub. We can help you in your assignments in advanced maths, complex history, global economics, science, literature, and composition in social study, business, IT, geography, political science, and more. So in our today's tutorial, we will solve independent project 4 on 4. So let's start it step by step. In our first step, I have already downloaded the file here. So we will move toward the second step. So in our second step, click the label hours sheet tab and select A4. Go to the sheet, select A4. Our third instruction is click the format as table. Click the format as table button. Use lightweight table style medium 11. We will go to the sheet and click on this format as table. Select medium table style 11. Click on OK. So step number 4, select the cell C6 and type the formula is equal to C plus 1 to add 1 to the date in the previous cell. So put the formula, click OK. So autofill the formula to copy it to row 51. So we will go to the cell and we will autofill the formula. So type 0.5, add 1 in cell E4 and press enter. So go to the E4, press enter. Instruction number 7, build the formula in cell E5 to add 0.5 to cell D5 and press enter to copy the formula. Format result to display 2 decimal places and apply all border. So add the formula, click enter. We have already here 2 decimal points. So step number 8. So instruction number 8, select cell C5. Cell C5 is the reference to the today's function in cell F2. So click on cell C5. So reference to is equal to F2. So sort the column by date in newest to oldest order. So we will here. So sort the date oldest to newest. Click on the data. Click on sort. Sorted by date, oldest to newest. Click OK. So click the undo button and select cell C5. Click on undo and select C5. Select cells C5 to 5-1. You can copy and paste to replace the formulas with the actual date. So we will select the set range. So we will select the set range. Control plus C. To copy the range on clipboard, select cell C5 and click the arrow with the paste button. So click on paste, click on paste button. So we have choose the values. Press escape to remove the moving border and click the cell C5 formula. Replace with the date so your date will be different from figure in this text. So skip, press the skip button. So sort the table by date in newest to oldest order, then sort by the product service in ascending order. So go to the data, click on sort, sort by date, newest to oldest, then add level, product services, and then click OK. So we have sorted the table by date in newest to oldest and then sorted by product service in an ascending order. We have completed here in our all instruction. Stay connected for full tutorial and thanks for watching.